Across Europe, climate change is intensifying, with more frequent and severe weather events affecting communities and ecosystems. From devastating floods and prolonged droughts to extreme heat waves, the impacts are being felt everywhere. These extreme events are becoming the new normal, challenging our resilience and highlighting the urgent need for coordinated action. To tackle this growing crisis, EU regions must take bold, collective measures. This includes strengthening climate adaptation strategies, enhancing cross-border cooperation, and investing in sustainable solutions. By sharing knowledge and resources, regions can better protect their communities, ecosystems, and economies, ensuring a more resilient future for all. Through the Climate Interreg Europe project, selected regions will tackle the root causes of climate vulnerability. The focus is on strengthening disaster management plans, putting civil protection at the forefront, and promoting an inclusive approach to hazard management. As the project progresses, let's take a look at how the Climate Project is making an impact through visualized progress and data-driven solutions. Climate partners gathered in Patras, Greece, for the kick-off meeting and the first interregional policy learning event on emergency response protocols. The two-day event began with a visit to Kalamaki Beach in western Greece, where technical works to combat coastal erosion are underway. The day also featured a workshop where discussions took place on partners' territories' current climate adaptation plans and means of communication for alerting citizens when extreme weather events occur. Let's take a look at the survey findings on the key drivers of vulnerability in climate territories and their alignment with adaptation policies and planning framework. Climate territories are facing shared challenges. From rising temperatures and heavier rainfall to seasonal water stress, all regions face similar vulnerabilities in infrastructure, resource management, and governance. Coastal areas must manage threats like sea level rise and erosion, while inland regions are more focused on drought and wildfire risks. Wealthier urban centers may have more resources, but still encounter political and structural barriers, while other areas face significant resource limitations. These common challenges emphasize the need for proactive, coordinated actions to strengthen resilience and adapt to the changing climate. The survey results highlight the importance of strengthening disaster risk prevention, improving civil protection services, and fostering inclusive, bottom-up approaches to resilience. By enhancing knowledge exchange and aligning policies across regions, it supports the Climate Project's mission to boost regional climate resilience and secure investments for effective adaptation. Looking ahead, the Climate Project will assess the adaptive capacity of partners and authorities to better cope with climate events and their impacts. This includes a site visit to the Finnish Meteorological Institute, where we'll explore climate information technologies and knowledge management practices. Additionally, partners will exchange best practices in disaster risk management and reactive emergency measures to tackle extreme weather and climate hazards. The Climate Project is helping regions strengthen their resilience to climate change. Together, we're building a more sustainable and adaptive future for all. Stay tuned as we continue making progress towards our shared goals.